Welcome to the video tutorial of how to use this website TeamClone. This website provides feature of joining a meet, creating a meet using chat, and we can also provide our feedback or suggestions. So first of all, I will demonstrate how to join or create a meet. So to join a meet or create a meet, we have to search first go to this section on the top right side meet. Once we click on it, we land up on this page. So for creating meet, we have to click on create meet, and if we already have a meet and we want to join that meet, we have to enter the meet link on the left side meet link section, and then we have to click on join meet. So I will first create a meet. Once I create a meet, this message will be popped up and it says the meet link is this and it is copied to our clipboard. So I will press OK, and then I will enter my meet link on the left side and I will click on join meet. As soon as I click on join meet, I land up on this page and it asks for a username. So I will enter my username. Once I enter my username, I enter into meet with my camera turned on and audio turned on. If I don't want this, then I can stop my video from stop video option, and I can also turn off my audio by clicking on this mute option. And if I want to start my audio again, then I have to simply click on unmute. And if I want to turn on my camera again, then I have to simply click on start video, and it will turn on my video. And if I want to invite some participants, then I have to click on I have to then I will click on invite participants, and it will copy the meet link to my clipboard, and then I can share this meet link with anyone else, and they can use the similar process of joining that I have told earlier to join this meet. We can also see the list of participants that are currently in this meeting. To do so, I have to click on participants, and it will show this right side column with participant list and all the participants that are present in the meeting. If there are multiple participants, it will show all the participants here. So if I want to get rid of this side window, then I have to simply click on this participants again. And if I want to see the chat messages of this meet, then I have to click on chat, and this window will be popped up, and this will contain all the messages that I have sent. And if I want to send a new message, then I have to click on this type new message, and then I can type my message. So I will type hi, and then I can press enter key or send key, or click on send to send my message. Once I send my message, it shows my username, then it shows the current time, and then the message that I have sent. And if I want to get rid of this window chat, then I have to simply click on chat window. And I can also share my screen. For doing so, I have to click on share screen, and then it will ask for which section of my screen I want to share. Then I will select whichever section you want to select, you can select. I will select entire screen, and there is a options to share audio. If you want to share our computer audio, for example, if we are playing some video in our computer and we want to share it with other people in the meeting with its audio, then I have to select the share audio as well to share my audio, computer audio, and then I will click on share. So now my window will be shared to all other participants except me, so that it will not create disruptions for me seeing my own screen on the meet. So for stop sharing our screen, we can either click on this stop share screen, or we can click on this stop sharing that is given below also. So I will stop sharing, and for leaving the meeting, we have to click on leave meeting. And once I click on leave meeting, it thanks me for attending the meet. And we can also continue our chat before and after the meeting. For doing so, we have to click on this option chat, and this will land up us on this page. For joining the chat, we have to enter the meet link that we have created. So I will enter the meet link, and then I will click on join chat. Then it will ask for a username with which we want to join the chat. So I will enter my username, and then it will show the room id, room name here, and then it will shows all the messages of the chat here. And if there are current party, if the meeting is going on and there are current participants, then all the participants will be listed in the user section. As of now the meeting is closed and no one is in there, so it is only showing me here. And we can send messages from here also. Like I will send hello and click on enter, then it will send the message hello, and this message will also be accessible from the meeting. And we can also leave the chat window. Now if we want to send our feedback, or we want to suggest some feature, then we can suggest here. We have to enter our name. I will enter my name, and then I will enter my email. And if I then I have to enter what I am suggesting or feedback. It is suggestion or feedback. Then I will enter my feedback, whatever I want to enter. And then I have to click on send feedback option. Then it will thank us for providing our feedback. And in about section we can see the video here, which will be loaded here soon. And if you want to know more details about this website, then we have to click here and we will end up on its github account, github page. Thank you for joining us for a video tutorial of Teams Clone.